Hi viewers, we have a nice diagram on the board, and from this diagram we have been asked to find the radius in this diagram. Viewers, we can see that the angle at A is 90 degrees, that is given in the question, which makes triangle OAB to be a right angle triangle. We also know that any line from the center to meet any part of the circumference becomes a radius. Therefore, line OA is a radius and line OC is also a radius. Since triangle OAB is a right angle triangle, we can use the concept of Pythagoras theorem to get our radius. Now, viewers, line OB becomes hypotenuse, and according to the theory, the square of the hypotenuse, which is going to be OB squared, should be equal to the sum of the square of the other two sides. So we can take OA, so we have OA squared plus AB squared. Viewers, from this concept, we are going to substitute some numbers and values into this formula. Now, from O to B is a combination of O to C and C to B. Therefore, O to B is going to be R plus 8. So we are going to have R plus 8 all squared should be equal to OA, which is the radius. So radius squared plus AB, which is 12, so we have 12 squared. Viewers, we can simplify this as R plus 8 in one bracket, R plus 8 in another bracket, all equal to R squared plus 12 squared will give us 144. Viewers, let's see how we can expand this. R times R, we have R squared. R times 8, we have 8R. 8 times R will give us 8R. 8 times 8 will give us 64, all equal to R squared plus 144. Viewers, we simplify this as R squared. 8R plus 8R will give us 16R plus 64 equal to R squared plus 144. Viewers, from what we have here, we have R squared here, we can cancel them out. Then we have 16R plus 64 should be equal to 144. Viewers, we group like terms. So we have 16R, 144 minus 64. Viewers, we have 16R equal to 80. We divide both sides by 16 to get our R. Therefore, our R will be equal to 5 centimeters. And this is how we can get our radius in this question. Thanks for watching.